All right, I was asked to do a color change when we got hit, and I'll show you what the final result looks like. I've messed around a little bit with the numbers in here. I slowed the game's missiles down. It said spawn them every 1 second. I slowed them down to 1.5. And then as you can see here, when my ship takes a hit, he turns red briefly, and then he regains his color. All right, and eventually he destroys. Okay, so this was at student request, and let's talk about how we did it. So herein the player is damaged thing. So every other thing I've went ahead and put down again, but on player's damage, when he overlaps or is collided by missile, this is in the tutorial. Game player health gets docked by 10. And then here I've added in this group called color changes. When there's a few things, I generally like to group them so I don't have to look at all of it. And here's what's done first. Okay, first of all, we're going to set blue and we're going to set green to 0. Why did we do that? Because if you'll look at currently, the ship's color is white. And if you look at what that means, I'm going to hit the color here. It means that all 3, red, green, blue, and alpha, actually all 4 are 1. So I'm just going to set blue to 0 and red to 0, and that's going to leave just green as, or I'm sorry, blue and green to 0, and that's going to leave just red as 1. Therefore, it's the color that's going to show. All right. And then very simply here, and we've done a little bit of this similarly before in this other program that we worked on just recently, we just said after 0.1 seconds, and then I just set those colors back. I set blue and I set self-color green back to 1. It wasn't working at first, and I had to tick run to completion in here. I'm not exactly sure why, but it worked after I hit run to completion. And that's all that really happened to change him colors. And you could probably do the similar stuff with the boss, or maybe we'll try another effect with the boss just for giggles, but that's changing colors. Thanks.